Today, we're diving into the kitchen to learn English through cooking. I'll be sharing simple sentences that will help you improve your vocabulary and speaking skills. Let's get started.
I am cutting vegetables.
I am cutting vegetables.
I am boiling water.
I am boiling water.
I am frying eggs.
I am frying eggs.
I am baking a cake.
I am baking a cake.
I am stirring the soup.
I am stirring the soup.
I am peeling potatoes.
I am peeling potatoes.
I am washing the dishes.
I am washing the dishes.
I am mixing the ingredients.
I am mixing the ingredients.
I am slicing bread.
I am slicing bread.
I am grilling chicken.
I am grilling chicken.
I am adding salt to the dish.
I am adding salt to the dish.
I am preheating the oven.
I am preheating the oven.
I am chopping onions.
I am chopping onions.
I am serving the food.
I am serving the food.
I am tasting the sauce.
I am tasting the sauce.
I am pouring milk into a bowl.
I am pouring milk into a bowl.
I am spreading butter on toast.
I am spreading butter on toast.
I am steaming vegetables.
I am steaming vegetables.
I am setting the table.
I am setting the table.
I am cleaning the kitchen.
I am cleaning the kitchen.
I'm cracking eggs into a bowl.
I am cracking eggs into a bowl.
I'm marinating the meat.
I am marinating the meat.
I'm roasting vegetables in the oven.
I am roasting vegetables in the oven.
I'm rolling dough for pizza.
I am rolling dough for pizza.
I'm pouring oil into the pan.
I am pouring oil into the pan.
I'm mashing the potatoes.
I am mashing the potatoes.
I'm whisking the eggs and sugar.
I am whisking the eggs and sugar.
I'm sprinkling cheese on top.
I am sprinkling cheese on top.
I'm cutting the cake.
I am cutting the cake.
I'm tasting the soup for flavour.
I am tasting the soup for flavour.
I'm flipping the pancakes.
I am flipping the pancakes.
I'm sautéing garlic and onions.
I am sautéing garlic and onions.
I'm boiling pasta in a pot.
I am boiling pasta in a pot.
I'm grating cheese for the dish.
I'm grating cheese for the dish.
I'm blending fruits for a smoothie.
I'm blending fruits for a smoothie.
I am measuring flour for baking.
I am measuring flour for baking.
I am seasoning the stew with spices.
I am seasoning the stew with spices.
I am layering lasagna in the dish.
I am layering lasagna in the dish.
I'm cooling the pie on the counter.
I am cooling the pie on the counter.
I'm garnishing the plate with parsley.
I am garnishing the plate with parsley.
Great job, everyone. Now you know some useful cooking sentences to practice your English. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video on Learn Fun English.